The 2018 Highlander. The Highlander is the SUV that's thought of everything. The Highlander offers seating for up to 7 and features Toyota's innovative center stow design. The second row bench seat folds away, leaving a pair of captain's chairs. A 2010 top safety pick, the Highlander is where substance meets style. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, power passenger seat, power lift gate, traction control, air conditioning, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, 4-wheel disc brakes, universal garage door opener. This beauty is sure to make you the talk of the neighborhood, so call or drop in for a test drive today.